Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I want to do a quick get ready with me for a little party this afternoon that I'm going to. Yes, always in a rush, but I figured we could do it together. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yeah, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe. Help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get going. Okay, I'm already sweating to death. It is so gloomy out. I even had the nerve, girl, to do my nails. I already had to do 2 of them over again because I kind of hit something. But anyway, quickly, I am going to, of course, now it's starting to pour. I'm going to my cousin is having a 40th wedding anniversary, just like a late lunch, early dinner celebration. I'm just using the Natasha Denona concealer N3. If you guys know the whole saga of picking up, oh my god, you could hear that rain. There goes my hairdo. I just straightened it, but that's the end of that. But anyway, yeah, the whole saga with the yeah, I bought N3 twice. But anyway, I love this particular color, the N3, to conceal my hyperpigmentation on my face. It's a little bit too dark for my liking. Like, it's really like borderline the color of my skin. I did do a little bit of tanner. Oh, don't do it, girl. Don't do it. It's gonna be too cakey. I did do a little bit of tanning spray, the Central Pay mist. I'll link it down below. It's really nice. It's just this really light mist that I put on my face and just like on my shoulders, because I have like this kind of shape of a top, so I wanted a little bit of color like on my shoulders. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Now I will tell you this, you know what, I'm not really sure if I had to do this before or after. I did not like this product at all. This is the Jane Iredale, the Hydro Pure Tinted Serum with hyaluronic acid. I was not a fan, girl, but I am really enjoying it. I have mine in light medium 3. Wait a minute, girl, before we do that, I even brought some napkins, girl. Hell no, you're not gonna mess up my outfit, no siree. So look at that, like a child, like we're gonna be eating lunch, and don't get your clothes dirty. That's pretty good, right? So anyway, I really didn't like this product. I think it's so quirky going on. Look at that, it looks like curdled, look. It looks like a curdled cheese, but I will tell you, it makes my skin look so good. Like it just makes it look nice and even. It's so friggin' pretty. I should have put my my jewelry on later on, you know. But girl, I'm in a rush. What else is new, girl? I'm gonna put it everywhere. Everywhere. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of half lashes. Even though this is not like an evening night out, it's in the middle of the day, I still wanted to do a little something extra. Yep, that's good. And you know what? I'm going to stop right here because let me just do the eyes real quick. So I got these cute little pants from the Gap. The kind of summery. I'll show it to you. I'm going to try and show you the whole outfit. But anyway, it's almost like a... it's got like that linen-y. It's got that linen kind of effect. But anyway, it's blue, and I figured this is kind of creamish, but I really wanted to hone in on the blue. So I am going to use the Natasha Denona Glam Palette. I know it's squeaky squeak, but I'm looking for more of like these kind of colors right over here, like these silvers, these dark kind of pewter kind of colors. But anyway, that's what I'm thinking. I'm going right in to the transition color. Yep. All over the lid. Just like that. That's super duper pretty. P.S. I know this is completely rude and inappropriate. I am always late for things, and I don't know why. Like, I always feel like I have all the time in the world. It's probably, let's see, what time is it now? It's 12:40. Girl, we have to leave by 1:30. Like, I think I have all the time in the world. I've been up since 8 o'clock. Like, what the hell were you doing the whole time? I don't know. But here we are. Now I'm in a rush. I'm going to go in with the crease color in the crease. Then I'm going to go in, let's see here, with this smoke. I'm going to mix smoke and lash line together just to deepen this up right over here. for placement, girl, because I have hooded eyes. And then I'm going to go back in with the original brush. Nice. I think I'm going to go in with this a little shimmer shade with these outer lids. And I'm going to just put a little bit of shimmer right over here. Because, girl, you know I like a little shimmer. I think I'm going to go in with the center lid right here. That's pretty. So I think I'm going to just take my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the brightening powder. And I'm going to just go underneath the brow. Look at me. I don't know why I'm shaking. Maybe because I had a cup of coffee all day. That's really pretty. I'll put a little bit of foundation on. So, girl, my go-to, this is the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum in 2-3. I guess I could have gotten the darker shade, but we're just going to bronze up. I'm going to use just that much. I want to do a little bit extra, even though it's just a day pate. Okay, that is perfect. That is perfect for the complexion. Going in with the She Glam. This is the She Glam Sculpting Contour in Tawny Amber. I love this stuff. I take the butt of my sponge. That's the way I like to use cream products. Look at that. That is so damn pretty. I love it. I'm going to just take the other side of the sponge. Okay, that's friggin' pretty. Okay, that is so, so pretty. Yep. Let me just do the other side. I just want to set that with the Huda Beauty Glowish bronzer. You know how much I love this bronzer. It's the swirls in it. It's so nice. Yep, my brushes are so dirty. I'm going to go in with the LYS Higher Standard Blush. This is in Self Love. It's so beautiful. So pretty. Again, the back of the sponge. And I'm going to start off over here. This is so freaking pretty. Look at that. I'm going to be going on vacation soon, but it's going to be a staycation because I'm doing a project. Let me know if you guys are interested. I will tape it. I have to clean out my garage. Is a friggin' disaster. Now, don't think I've only cleaned it out at least twice already. But, you know, for some reason, everything accumulates there. But anyway, so I bought like some shelves from Home Depot. Girl, I am like getting down. I am like getting down. I'm like the handyman of the house. I like to do these things. I'm going to go in with the Jane Iredale just to top it right here. I love this blush. It's so pretty. Look at that. This one is in Barely Rose. It's so pretty. Oh, you know what? I never put concealer on. Just go a little bit bright. I am going to use the Maybelline Eraser Corrector, the one in pink. Don't get nervous. Yeah, that's pretty. And then I like to go in with this camo concealer, whatever it's called, sponge from e.l.f. But I use it dry. And then whatever tool I have, I use my bronzer, my foundation. I just go super close just to even it out. Damn, that looks so good. Now that we're here, let's set it real quick. I'm gonna just set it with the Charlotte Tilbury, just right over here for now. I'm gonna just set my face with the e.l.f. Stay All Nighter. I know I have been using my phone a lot lately. It's just easier right now because since my daughter's been home from college, I just use her room. I really don't have that much room. I would love to have my own studio just for all this deliciousness that I love. But anyway, so this is so pretty. I can't even stand it. But I would think I want to do like a little pop of something on the cheek. I'm gonna just go in again. But anyway, so I have to like put all my stuff, yep. Put it on, take it down, put it on, take it down. And oh, that's so pretty. And I just haven't had the time like right now. But anyway, so if you guys mind, let me know and I'll just go back and reset up my stuff. And if it's okay, we could just go back and forth. I mean, of course, I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz. But of course, you know, I do go back and forth. I don't even know if like this is, I know it's echoing and I know like, because I don't have a mic on. So I know that's a problem. But if you don't mind it, or if you do mind, let me know. P.S. I appreciate you guys. I don't know if I say that enough. But I have met some beautiful, beautiful people along the way. I wish we could meet in person. I hope one day we can. But I really can't tell you how much I appreciate you and how much I appreciate, like, this community. Like, I know, like, I've said this in the past. And people are like, oh, I love you so much. I'm like, bullshit. You don't even know these people. Like, come on. I get it now. I get it. There is genuine, like, love and respect. I think so, for me anyway, with you guys. I look so forward to like hearing from you guys in the comments. I just wanted to let you know how much I appreciate you guys. Okay, let's see here. So that is good. Let's just finish the eyes, okay? So I'm gonna go in, I think, with this brow bone color over here. God, this is so squeaky. What the hell, girl? I'm gonna use it for the inner corner. I had all these great intentions. I was gonna curl my hair, but you know, it worked out because it's so crummy out. All right, I'm gonna use the same brush, and I think I'm gonna do these shimmers under my eye because you know how much I love a little shimmer under there. Anyway, so this is one of my older cousins. Let me say old girl. And even though we're quite a few years apart, we have gotten over the years super, super close. I'm gonna just go in with the waterline with the Give Line It Up liner. And this is in Thunderbolt. I just picked this up recently in one of my new videos. I'll link it below. When her daughters, of course, her daughters are married, have kids, but when my oldest was, I don't know, maybe like 13-ish, 12, no, maybe 13-ish, 14-ish, she started dancing at one of the dance places that my cousin's daughters used to dance at when they were little, and now they were teachers. Anyway, so let me just wet my brush because, you know, I'm gonna try and do a wing, girl. We're gonna try. But anyway, so we just got like super close. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see. They were into like the same thing. They were teaching and she was dancing. Out of curiosity, do they ever come out the same? Probably not. I'm gonna just go in and smudge this out a little bit. But anyway, so we have gotten super, super close. Not that I don't love all my cousins. We have a very big Italian family, but you know, she's one of my closest. All right, whatever. It is what it is. We tried, right? We tried. Okay, I'm gonna just tightline. I know this is a shocker. This is a shocker. It's my Makeup Forever. What time is it? I'm doing a pretty good job. I do want to put on some eyelashes. I have these half lashes that I got from Amazon. I'll link them below. I'm going to use one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Telescopic Carbon Black from L'Oreal. Love. Okay. Let's try. Let's pray and let's try. Alrighty. So I do have the Kiss. I like this Kiss lash glue liner. I just line my eyes instead of lining that. But I think I'm going to just line both because I feel like sometimes if I do both of them, they'll stay longer or they'll just stay on period because I don't know how to do them. Now, let's see. I think I cut these already. Did I? Yep. I think so. Why I gotta sweat? Yeah. All right, let's just try it. So I'm going to just put some on here. And then let me just put some right over here. I'm going to try and see if, because I noticed the other video, I had like my thing like this the whole time. So I apologize for that. Okay, that's pretty good. I think I went out a little bit too far. So I think I want to use my mascara just to like cat eye it out a little bit. You know what I mean? So just like right over here. I'm What do you think? I think it looks cute. Okay, that'll do. That will do. A little bit of lip smacking stickeroonie. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury. This is in Lip Cheat Pillow Talk 2 Medium. I did not know that she had like a darker color in the Pillow Talk. Okay, I'm just blending it in. Beautiful. And then I have the new color from BK Beauty. This one is in Grace. I love this color. It's so beautiful. Yep. Yep. Okay, so this is it. So this is coming in my bag. Let's see, did I make a mess anywhere? No. Okay, so let me just get dressed. I will show you my outfit. My house is a mess, so please don't judge. I'm in a rush. Oh, I think it came out so freaking nice, right? Nice. Okay, so that is it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.